Let's bring German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche's statements to life. Quote, "Without music, life would be a mistake." End of quote. Indeed, the violin plays a dark symphony in Nietzsche's life, from the disdain of his mother and sister to the rejection of many women. Quote, "There are no facts, just interpretations." End of quote. John, when watching the news, sees a conspiracy, while Sarah sees the backlash of capitalism, while James sees nothing. Quote, "Whenever I climb, I am followed by a dog called ego." End of quote. We all know this dog, but everyone's dog comes in different sizes. In the modern day context, the ego is seen and defined as the enemy, but this is just my interpretation. Quote, "What does not kill us makes us stronger." End of quote. Sally survived her breakdown in the workplace. She is now mentally stronger. She can handle the bullies and the work pressure. If you enjoyed this video and you want to support the channel, subscribe.